don't know how in the world I managed to get some on my nose. Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything. And let's get into this video. So today I am going to be doing a swatch video for this new dope cosmetic brand called Dope Queens. And I have three lippies. I have three lippies that I'm going to try out for you guys. So let's get into this because I'm really excited. So first off, they're matte liquid lipsticks. I'm going to put the link to these lippies down below in the description box. And I also have a promo code for you guys, which is right here. I'll put that right in the description box so you guys can get it for a discounted price. So I'm just going to take them all out the box. Wait, I don't want to mix them up. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me just get them all out the box real quick so I can see what color I want to try first. I think this box is real sweet. It's just real cute. It's elegant. It's real chic. That's what it is. Okay. So I have three colors. I have this cute purple one, which is Luscious Lavender. I have this red one, which is Cheeky Booty Shorts. Ah, that's a cute name. And then I have Queendom. So what I'm gonna do, because red I know tends to stain a lot, I'm gonna start off with the lightest color first. I'm gonna go ahead and try on the Luscious Lavender. So let me get my mirror up here. You guys might see my little mirror over here. But it's okay. So I'm going to try this one to show you what I think and how it looks. So far, it's like easy to apply. So this is the Luscious Lavender. This is the purple. This is real summer and no, this is summer. This is going to be a summer hit. What I would do is I could just be out there and wear it like this, but I could also pair it with a lip liner, like a dark plum or something like that, which I would probably do. But if I just want to be super bold, I would just rock it like this. I think it's really cute. I probably shouldn't have let it dry all the way because now I have to use a wipe to take it off just to try another color. Lord, somebody help me. But it has staying power because I can feel it. Let me go ahead. Alright, so I'm going to move on to Queendom because we're queens, girl. So let's try this one. This one so far is my favorite. I like it more than the Luscious Lavender. So this is Queendom, and I like this one. This one, it gives me like, this is like a good like I can vision what I'm trying to say, but it's not coming out. It gives me like floral vibes, like summer floral vibes. Like I would probably rock this for like something floral. Oh yeah, I got on floral now. You see, like it just goes. But probably like a floral dress or something. But this is really, really pretty. I love this one. This is too cute. I would probably rock this color to the beach or something like that. This is cute. All right, so that's it for this beautiful Queendom. This is my favorite. This is so pretty. Like I keep looking at it. This is really pretty. And it like goes so well with my complexion. So if you're a brown girl, I do suggest you getting Queendom. I don't know how it's gonna look on lighter skin, obviously, because I'm not a lighter complexion. But if you my color or something like that, girl, this is it. This is real pretty. So get this baby off and then try the last one. One thing I would say is, baby, they got some staying power because these suckers don't want to come off. Alright, so the last one is this pretty red one, and it's the Cheeky Booty Shorts. I swear the name is so cute. So this is red. It looks like a real classy red. Y'all know red like to stain, so that's why I waited till last to do this one. So y'all will be able to see the other colors. So let me go ahead and apply this in. Just looking at it, I thought, like, just from looking at the bottle, I thought it was gonna be a little bit on the brighter side, but it's not. So it's more on the deeper side. All right, so this is how the Cheeky Booty Shorts look. So it's really like a real pretty deep red color. I would probably wear it for like a date night or something like that. Just keep it real nice and classy. So this is it. I have 3 of them so far. I will be getting some more shortly. So make sure you check out these lippies. Summertime is coming along, and I know you girls want to be wearing like summer colors and like bold, fun colors. So I would say go ahead and get them. They're really matte. They really stay put. It's not sticky like some of them are. So you better cop you some. Again, I'm going to put the link down below in the description box so you guys can go check it out. Get you some lippies and get ready for summer, girl, because it's the time to start wearing these pretty colors. And also, I'll put the promo code down there so you guys go ahead and get it at a discounted price. That is all. I just wanted to share with you guys my new lippies. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below if you like these lipsticks, what colors you want to see next, what other lipsticks you would like to see me swatch. And that's it. So, bye.